if hate can be spread like a disease, then so can love.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Right? Is that kind of what you're saying? I mean, it definitely, it just needs to be filtered out to the rest of the world. And I think we can get there. But it's going to take some people having to have open minds. It's going to take some people having to relax a little bit and stop screaming and stop yelling and also stop being self-righteous that, you're, a Christian and all this other stuff. Like, you need to say, okay, I'm not resting on my laurels. I'm just saying it's okay for them to have their thoughts and beliefs. And
right.
we're going to sit down together. And I don't know. I really don't want to see turmoil, and like you said, I know there's always going to be a balance of good and evil, but I really wish that we could figure out how to tip the scales and make just less of the evil.
Yeah, I agree.